Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MSAK Trading Academy. Guys, yesterday we had analyzed Nifty and Bank Nifty and we had seen a wonderful expiry today. I'd also shared a view regarding 30,000 CE in Bank Nifty and we had capitalized very well today. Now let's go and check out what our trading plan is for tomorrow. And talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty on spot chart, I'll show you some beautiful levels what Nifty and Bank Nifty is holding. For now, let's understand. First, let's go to Nifty and see what has happened with the Nifty. Guys, yesterday, if you remember, I had shared some important level. That was this support line that is somewhere around 13,777.50. And also, I was talking about this 50 moving average. Today, if you see, prices have bounced from 50 moving average and it has formed a doji. So, what is the importance of doji? Let's understand the importance of doji first. Okay, here it is. Now guys, whenever a doji is formed, understand doji in the sense it's a confusion. Both buyers and sellers are unable to decide the way the prices have to be taken. So when doji is formed, we usually call it indecision in the market. We usually mark the range high. This is the range high and this is the range low of doji. And once the range high breaks, we can expect prices moving up, and if the range low breaks, we can expect prices moving down. This is how simple it is to use doji. Now let's go back. Now let's mark here the high and low what it has formed today. So this is the doji's high and this is the doji's low. So very simple thing. So we know that doji has been bounced from the 50 moving average. So the main important thing what we have to focus is below this 50 moving average there is a trend line which is still intact. This trend line has not been broken. So for tomorrow, in case we see a break above this high, we can expect prices move upside. And on the downside, in case this price breaks, remember we have this trend line from the same place. Again, we can expect a reversal. Until unless price doesn't close below this trend line, we are not going to be bearish. Right? So the way markets have recovered today, by end of the day, I am expecting some bullishness coming in. So tomorrow, in case price breaks today's high, today's doji is high, then we can expect prices move up. Now talking about Bank Nifty, guys, we can see here Bank Nifty has been holding a very strong level, that is 29,820. We had drawn this yesterday, and you can see here, though prices gapped down today, it has recovered very well, and in fact it has closed above the trend line what we have here, right? So for now, I'm not bearish on Bank Nifty as well. Now I'll mark one important level, that is today's high in Bank Nifty. In case we see price sustaining above today's high, that is 3464.40, this both Nifty and Bank Nifty what I've shown is a spot chart. I'll show you future chart levels and zones in few minutes. Now talking about Bank Nifty, in case it sustains above this high, that is 3464.40, we can expect this 50 moving average to behave as a resistance. This will be the first point of contact, that is 50 moving average on daily time frame, and breach of this we can expect 3932 to come in. This is a simple analysis what I have on Bank Nifty as well. The reason I am bullish, because it has been holding this trend line again, and we can see this today's closing is above the trend line, right? In case I have to see for a bearish move, that will be only below today's low, which is very far. And the way it has bounced up today, I don't think it will be breaking this low very easily tomorrow. So tomorrow, in case it breaks today's high, we can expect a long position. We can create a long position for a target of 50 moving average on daily basis, daily time frame basis, right? Now let's go back and check out what our trading plan is, exact trading plan on Nifty and Bank Nifty future chart. Guys, these are the zones what I'll be updating in the description box. You can use the same zones to trade. I've been using these zones for a long time now. It works wonderful. Now let's go back to Nifty and see what our trading plan will be. Okay, so for today, we can see here Nifty was almost in a range of 13,900 to 13,700. It's almost 200 points range. And the way it has closed near S1, In case it retraces back to S1 and just closes above this S1, we can expect targets as R1 zone. And remember, near R1 zone on 15 minutes time frame, there's a 15 minutes time frame, will have a resistance, that is 50 moving average. This 50 moving average will be a key level, because either prices are going to reverse from this 50 moving average, or once it sustains above this 50 moving average and R1, we can expect R2 and R3 as the targets, right? And on the downside, in case price breaches today's low, Nifty low, it's on the future chart. In case price breaches this low, we can expect prices to move to S3 zone. From S2 it can move to S3 zone, and from S3 we can expect S4 to come in. This is a simple plan for tomorrow. All these zones will be updated in the description box. You can have a look at it. You can draw the same zones and see how beautifully Nifty and Bank Nifty works when you plot these zones. Now talking about Bank Nifty, guys, yesterday I had said you something. I said I had put this arrows. You can see here I had said 50 moving average can be a strong resistance on 15 minutes time frame, and you can see here today exactly the same thing has happened. The prices have come closed above 50 moving average and it has closed in R1. This is going to be very important for tomorrow. Okay, for tomorrow, any close above this R1, if price trades above R1, if price sustains above R1, we can expect R2, R3 and R4 to come in. R2 will be the first target, R3 will be the second target, and R4 will be the third target. Above this, I'll start trailing my stops. And in case price closes below this 50 moving average and R1, then we can expect prices move back to S1 level, S2 level and S3 level. This is a simple plan what I have for tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow how Nifty and Bank Nifty works. Though we had a wonderful expiry today, we had picked up 30,000 CE somewhere around 2 o'clock, and it has given some wonderful returns today. And guys, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you have been watching my videos, you have any doubts, drop a comment, and if you like my videos, please give a like. Thank you all, guys. I'll see you tomorrow again. Let's see how tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty will perform based on our zones. Have a good day.